Masiguro kung paano tayo payag. So yan si Mr. Ricky Santos, long-time member of the Commissioner's Office at, Operations Head. He knows the PBA inside and out. Kabisado na niya anong gagawin dito. Hindi lang natin alam how long it will take.
No, tingnan mo si Remington. Remington, parang si Remington. Parang si Remington.
Of course, I would imagine i-repair yan, but the question is it going to be fit for a game? Yes. Kasi baka may unfair advantage ang isang kukunan. Yung titiyo doon, baka mas madali or baka mas mahirap. So how would that happen? How would the team shoot there? How will they have undue advantage? Or will it be advantageous to Petron dahil baka ma-apektuhan yung ball kung ball depende dun sa mangyayari pagkatapos maayos itong ring natin. The question is, kailan maayos? Paano ayusin? Kaya tinitignan na, pinag-aaralan na mabuti ni Commissioner Chito Salud. Sa ngayon, I think nagtatago na si Rob Reyes. Ay, dito pala. Medyo nalalabig na siguro ngayon niya. Ngopa. Pari Rob, salary ka dito. Siya yung tagtap eh. Nag-investigation. At siguro na lahat eh. We don't see this often. Usually, what we see is the backboard. PBA, binunod it. And then one time, sa Ultra,